So today I want to show you how to install the kit on Jaguar xk8 from 97 2006, and this is for repair rear left and rear right. So this is the tools you needed to fix it. It's 10 millimeters. This is a torque 30 and this is a torque 20. So 25, sorry, 30 and 20. Okay. Yes, and then so we're starting to take out the motor first. This is the part broken, and this is how the cable look like. So let me take this part right here. Okay, so we take the motor and then we get the 20 torque and take this part out. So if you see right here, this is the part broken. So we take it out and then we get the 30. We take it out the motor part. These 3 screws. So this is how it looks like, everything breaks. So we take everything right here, and we have this kit right here. So this is the kit we installed. So we starting first with the part. We need to check it out, the longer cable. So is this one the longer and this one is the short one. So the longer is going to the upper side like that. So we put this screw back right here. Then we're going to put the cable roller. So the upper cable is going to the upper of the cable roller like that, going like this. Then we a little bit roller. Then we put the back one right here like that. So right here we need to take this part right here. We need to make a circle, a little circle, to like that, and then you check the cables going on. Okay, so then we put them right here. Then this part right here is going on this place. Then we put the motor again. Okay, so after we check everything, it's fine right here, but you need to move it a little bit. So you need to check the cable is on the correct position, so you can put the motor on it. like that. So the motor does need to be like that. We put this back. So then after we check the cable is in this position, this part is correct over there, we need to put this to the correct position, like this. And then we put the three 10 millimeters back. So this is how I just fix it.